Hi, we had a raffle over Christmas where you could win the Sound arcade machine, and the lucky winner was Michael from Germany. As we were getting ready to ship the machine to Germany, we started emailing back and forth, and we found that he was moving flats, and he didn't really have space for an arcade in his new flat. So we came up with a solution together that I think is even better.
Ready for order?
Oh, hi John.
Hi.
I'm sorry, I don't think I told you, but we're not going to Germany.
Why? You promised me beer and sausages.
Yes, I really like the dress. I think that would work super well in Germany.
Yeah, this is how they all dress down there.
You'd fit in. So this is John, by the way. John is our in-house stuntman, and he drives fast on motorbikes for us, jumps out of airplanes for us, and a lot of people have been asking lately, what's going to happen at the office with our arcade machine being gone? What's going to happen with the general low productivity Sound is so well known for? Well, I'm happy to say that John also builds arcades, and he's already finished with our new arcade.
We had a great conversation with Michael, the original winner, and I think we found the perfect new home for the arcade machine.
So we decided to donate the machine to Radiumhospitalet here in Oslo, which are the leading research and treatment center for children with cancer. They do a fantastic job of taking care of the children and the parents in what is possibly the worst challenge imaginable.
Radiumhospitalet was founded in 1932 and is a specialized hospital for cancer treatment. Since its inception, it has played a crucial role in the development of cancer treatment in Norway and internationally. And one of their special focuses is on children and young people, providing them with the best possible treatment and follow-up care.
So here we are at Radiumhospitalet. The machine is installed and it's already in use. It definitely seems to be a popular variable.
Thanks to the skilled and dedicated team of doctors, nurses and researchers working here. They've helped countless patients and their families over the years, and we are honored that they accepted the arcade machine. Thanks to Michael and the Children's Cancer Foundation for making this happen.